Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the essentials and taking the first steps now. Open the store, install LG Connect, and sign into your LG account. If you don't have one, create it quickly. Once done, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi so devices can be discovered, and grant location, storage, and notification permissions when prompted so pairing and updates work. Make sure your appliance or TV is powered and nearby. This prevents connection errors and speeds up the initial discovery and setup sequence. Next, pair and configure devices using the app's guided flow. Tap Discover or Add Device, choose the type, and follow the on-screen code or QR scan to pair. This authenticates the connection and links devices to your account. After pairing, check for firmware updates and apply them. Updates fix bugs and enable features. Then select the correct Wi-Fi network and enter the password, and finally customize schedules, notification preferences, and remote control layouts so the app behaves the way you want it to. Finish by verifying core functions and knowing how to recover if something fails. Test the remote, check device status, and run a routine to confirm automation works. This validates configuration. If the app or device is unresponsive, restart the appliance and force close and reopen the LG Connect app. If that fails, unpair and repair the device to refresh credentials. Make sure to note model numbers and any error messages. Contacting support with log speeds resolution when problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.